Presenting the Vibration Table, a robust and precision-engineered testing system designed to simulate the vibration conditions experienced by products and packaging during transportation and handling. During shipping by truck, rail, air, or sea, packages are exposed to continuous vibrations that can affect the stability, strength, and integrity of both the product and its packaging. The vibration table replicates these real-world conditions in a controlled laboratory environment, helping manufacturers evaluate how well their packaging protects the product throughout the supply chain. Complies with international standards. Contact us today to learn how the Vibration Table can strengthen your packaging validation and transportation testing processes.